So it is a holiday today in the US, but because I missed the last 2 weeks of this meeting, I was like, I can't miss another one. I missed you guys. I didn't want to not have another miss another meeting. So that's why I'm here today. But most of my team will not be here today for the most part. But anyway, thanks for joining because I know it's not a holiday everywhere else. So let's see, today's the 30th. Oh no, it's not. I'm glad I updated the slides, guys. Good job, me. So I want to just share a few things. So the first one is this forum post. If you have not seen it, I'm going to share the link in the chat. This is our new interim CEO, Suba. So we've had some leadership changes at Tapcoder. It's all good stuff. Nothing to worry about. Basically, she's going to be hiring a new CEO, but in the meantime, she's our interim CTO. She loves Tapcoder, and she's got a huge, amazing background. If you look her up, she was a huge executive at PayPal for a while, did some amazing things over there. And so she's awesome, and I really like working with her. So if you have a chance to go into that forum and just welcome her, that'd be great. I just want to show her the amazing community hospitality. So check that out, say hello to Suba. And we're going to be really good about, keeping you guys informed as to what's going on as usual. We like to be transparent in our community. It's super important to us. So check that out. So that's our message from Suba. Next, I wanted to share our Community Strong video. You may have seen this in the newsletter, you may not have, but this video is it was really amazing for me to put together with a bunch of members. I'm not going to play it here because it doesn't ever work well on a screen, but we just brought a bunch of people together to share who they are and, share that we are Tapcoder Strong, right? So please take some time and check out that video. If you're in it, awesome, share it. But it's just a great reminder that we're all together, and we're all always here for you, and we're strong no matter what's going on. We're a big community and we're a strong community. So check out that video. Skill Builder Spree. So this is super important. I wanted to share today. So we have the Skill Builder Spree going on this month. This is for all of September. We have 9 Skill Builder competitions live. We've got advanced challenges, t-shirts, prizes, lots of bonus prizes. This is your opportunity to not only earn money at Tapcoder, but to learn something, upskill, get verified in these skills. So I think it's really important that you all check this out. I'm going to share the blog link in here as well in case you want to look more closely. But if you've never submitted to a challenge before and you submit, you'll get $50. So if you've never submitted a Tapcoder before, you can submit something. And again, $50 extra, right? If you are a gig worker and you submit to a challenge, you'll get an additional $50 bonus. So if you're a gig worker and it's your first time submission and you're a gig worker, that's an extra $100 bonus. So just by participating in the Skill Builder Spree challenges, you're getting all these bonus prizes. And if you take part in the EdgeNet one, the EdgeNet Skill Builder, you'll earn an additional bonus as well as if you do more than one. So do more than one and we're going to give you bonuses. So these are meant to be for you to learn and upskill and grow, and for us to, get some more members in there and to participate in our challenges. So please check those out. As I said, there's a lot of bonus prizes, t-shirts. There's a lot of challenges listed here. And I'll share the link to all the challenges here as well. Any questions on the Skill Builder Spree? Have you guys seen it? Have you tried one of the challenges yet? Anything you want me to go over in more detail? Like, look at all these technologies, it's super cool. Any questions? Has anyone jumped in yet?
And all the challenges are linked at the end of the blog as well. So
Yeah.
if you go to the blog, you can find the challenges and jump onto them as
We've
well,
got
guys.
Flutter is a new one. We've got existing ones. We brought Figma back for designers. We have advanced challenges. I mean, Harshit and the team did a really, really awesome job in putting this together for September. I love doing like learning stuff in September because here in the US, it's like back to school. It's all about education and learning. And so we always like to bring something for you guys to do as well. So please check it out. If you have any questions, I even have a forum. I'll share the forum thread if you have questions, but please do check out this skill builder spree. I would love to hear from you too. So if you have questions or you're excited about it, or you want to share your experience, let us know. And I hope next week and the following week on this call, you guys will chime in and say, yeah, I did this or I did that, because your feedback is really important to us. Awesome. Okay, any other questions on this? Any other thoughts? Okay. Yes, awesome job for Cystic and all the co-pilots for doing this. Alrighty. Okay, what do we have next? Next, we have the Thrive team. Okay, so this is something we've launched as well this month, and this is not necessarily new, but there's a lot of really great incentives here. So at Top Coder, we have a lot of different folks here. I mean, some of you are here to compete, some of you are here to get a gig, and some of you are here to just learn. Some of you already have a full-time job, but some of you are looking to earn extra income. And this is a really great way to earn some extra income while helping us, right? So we're always looking to find people to help us spread the Top Coder message, right? Whether you're just sharing gigs with folks that are interested in looking for a freelance gig, or you want to launch a career as a technical writer, you want to write some articles, some content. So all you have to do is just do some of these things. Submit some articles for Thrive or even a blog post. You can share a gig with somebody. You can share the gigs overall. You can share a specific gig. So there's so many great ways where you can earn some extra money. And then every quarter, we're going to see, hey, who's done the most referrals this quarter? Who's done the most articles? And they're going to earn extra money. So every person that you refer a gig to that gets the gig, it's instant $500. And then if you have the most referrals in the quarter, you're going to get more money. And same with the articles. So I'm going to share this link. There's a lot of content here. There's a lot of information. So please check this out. Again, it's a really great way to earn some extra cash. So if you're busy, you don't have time for a gig, or you want to just supplement what you're already doing, write some content, share some of this, share the gigs. We're excited to have you help us thrive at Top Coder.
Yeah, and I'd like to bring to everybody's notice that we really love you writing articles. And even if you won a challenge, even if you didn't win a challenge, and if you have some ideas you want to share, you learned something new. Even if you, let's say, even if you didn't win a challenge and you want to share, because after you complete a challenge, you get a chance to view the winner submission. So you are gonna really learn something out of it. You know, even if you didn't win a challenge, didn't win some cash prizes, you worked really hard on it, and you want to share your story of how you really saw the members' submission, the winner submission, learned what did you learn out of it, and how are you improving your skills. Share these things. We really want you to write these, write these experiences, write the things you're learning, help the community learn. So there's a lot you can do, and this is a great reward. So please capitalize on this and write some articles.
Yeah, and we have a link here for submitting for Thrive. So Thrive is our educational center, and there's a lot of great articles here already. But and it gives you the entire process from start to finish to submit an article. So you don't even need our help. Just go here, go through the way that it works, and then submit it, and then you'll hear from us. So it's super easy to jump right into Thrive. And it doesn't have to be, fancy. It's really about, like, do you have something that you want to teach somebody? Do you have an interest in sharing something with our members? So please check that out. It's a great way, as I said, to earn extra income. And in sharing gigs, super easy. Think about your connections. Think about your family members. Think about LinkedIn. Share your link on LinkedIn. Right now, if I can show you, there's now a referral link. This is new. So we've always had a referral program, but now you have your own specific link that is linked to your actual account. So we can see you're sharing this link. So you put it out there on LinkedIn, you're going to get credit for these people. So share this link. If they get a gig, it's $500, guys. So you all are a part of a community, whether it's local or whether it's a university or some friends or family. So please do go out there and share that link, because we'd love for you to earn some extra money by helping us fill some of our gigs.
Jesse, there's a question by Vipul. He actually directly messaged me. It's regarding content. How should Thrive article be different from blog post? I think you can.
Yeah, so a Thrive article is educational in nature. Someone is learning from it. A blog post is more of a story. So if you have a story to tell, like, hey, this was my first Top Coder Skill Builder challenge and I really liked it, and here's how I can help someone else be successful at a skill builder, right? So something like that, where it's not something specific they're learning, but it's a story, or it's something that can be interesting to read. That's something for our members. Does that help kind of differentiate the two? And if you're unsure, feel free to submit it to Thrive, and our team will just say, hey, this looks more like a blog post, and we'll push it that way. And Daniela on our team kind of manages our blog right now. So if you ever have blog post ideas, you can share them with me or with Daniela, and we will investigate it. And for the most part, we're always looking for content writers. And we'd love to do like a recap of the Skill Builder Spree, right? So if you take part in it, write a blog for us, share how it went, all the different winners that we had, all that stuff. So we're always looking for people to do that. We just don't have enough time. We have a lot going on, and we want to have more content. So if you want to earn some extra money writing some content for us, we welcome it. All right, any other questions on the Thrive team stuff, guys? All right, okay, what do we have next up? We have a party this week. Okay, so this week we have a party. We are doing a logo design party for TCO 22's logo, and we're doing it in a bracket tournament style for our designers. Plus, and he's not here today, it's Adam's birthday. So we're gonna have like birthday party, TCO 22 logo bracket design tournament party. Like, why not, right? So Adam's birthday, we're gonna design a logo. If you're not a designer, just come. It's so fun. I must say, these designers, they do an amazing job in a short amount of time. We're gonna be doing like live voting. I'm gonna hold up numbers like, oh, this is a 7 or this is a 10. I think I'm only gonna print 10s and just give 10s to everybody, because it'll be funny to give everyone 10s. So I have a meeting link. So we're gonna be on Zoom. So check out this Zoom link. This is where you can register to just show up and be a part of the party. It's gonna be 2 days, Thursday and Friday from 7 to 11. I don't think we're gonna be on their entire time. It's gonna be a long amount of time, but for the most part, we'll be there live on the Zoom, and you're welcome to join us, jump on camera, chit chat with us, look at the designs. And then if you want to take part, we are still accepting designers if you want to be a part of it. If you're not a designer and you want to try it out, go for it. We don't do logo contests typically at Top Coder. Pretty much the only logo contests we do are TCO logos. Logos are really not our jam, right? So we always do this for TCO. So if you're interested in taking part in the party, or you want to take part in the competition, or both, please join us and share with your friends. It's just a good time to come hang out with us. And as I said, it's Adam's birthday on Saturday, so we'll sing to him on Friday and embarrass him. So start planning your embarrassing, Adam stories, or make him a card, like a digital card or something. It'll be fun to surprise him. Any questions on the bracket tournament? Anyone joining? Anyone come in? Anyone designing? I know Luis will be there. Daniela will be there.
I'll be there.
Or should be there? Nice. Should be fun. And it's just fun to just hang out. Maybe I'll get some 65 chicken or chicken 65 and eat it in front of you all. Oh, that'd be fun. Oh yeah, Harsha can design. I can design. I'm pretty good at designing too. I made a really awful logo for April Fool's Day, so I could try to make a non-awful logo.
Can we compete and like get out in the first round?
Maybe.
So it can be, we can also be a part of tournament, Jesse. You and me can compete. There can be a separate tournament for admins as well, right? Of course, without Daniela's and Lewis, and they're gonna like beat us like crazy.
I'm a really good fake designer, right? We're bloody designers, right? What is it called? Bloody fake designers. Bloody so-called designers. That's what we are. Harshit and I are bloody so-called designers. It's a long story, but yes, that's what we are. All right. Any questions on the bracket tournament this week? Should be a good time. And honestly, like, do you have anything else to do? I don't have anything else to do, so I'm just gonna join because I don't really have much going on. All right. Next, we have top gigs this week. Okay, so there's a number of gigs I want to promote. So first, we have a Python Dash developer. This is for India only, so check this out. If you are interested, again, share with a friend. You can either share your specific URL or you can add their email in here. All right. The next one we have is a big data engineer. This one is based out of the UK, the US, Poland, China, I believe, and India, Switzerland. Wait, US, UK, Poland, Switzerland, and India. That doesn't make any sense. So let's just fix that up. I will let the team know. But these are the locations working UTC +1 hours. So if you are interested in this engineer gig, please apply or share with a friend. And then we also have this one, a flowable engineer, same locations and same working hours. So if you're interested in this one, share with a friend or apply. And then we have an application integration architect, India only. This is someone with a little more experience than usual. So if you know somebody or you are interested, you can apply. And finally, we have a data architect gig. This is any location, working any hours. So that's pretty cool. It's always great to have some flexibility. So a great flexibility job. That's a pretty long one though. So if you're interested in that, please apply or share with a friend. So any questions on the current gigs or any other questions on gig work in general? Can I share a gig referral link to any platform? Yeah, you can share the gig referral link anywhere you want. Please do. And you'll see it here as well. If you do not see it, your personal URL link at the top of the gig work listing page, then you need to just log in. Once you're logged in, you will see a URL, okay? So please do share. There's a lot of gigs coming up. You can always find by location or the latest. You can search by skills. Again, a great way to earn some extra cash. As you know, there's a lot going on right now in the industry of getting a job. As Nathan can probably attest to, there's so many people looking for work and there's so many jobs out there. It's pretty nuts. So please do help some of your connections to find a nice fit. Anything to add, Nathan? Any other gigs to talk about or any other things to share?
Nothing major other than just to echo your point. That is really hard to find talented people for gigs at the moment. In fact, it's that hard. It's driven me to a bar on a Monday afternoon in the UK just for co-working, not for getting drunk. Not yet, anyway. Let's see how the next 20 minutes goes. No, just onto the Sultan's point and Jess's point as well. Just referral link. Can't emphasize enough that if you've got a big community on LinkedIn and you want to try and earn some more cash, and just make sure you're sharing the your referral link with your friends and network. There's a really big opportunity here. For sure. And I also just wanted to bring up our gig work resources in case you haven't seen this or you haven't been back in a while. We do update it often. So we add valuable resources. We share the timeline that works that we use. We also have interview guide, as well as the interviewing strategies webinar that we hosted last month. That was really awesome. And some FAQs. So there's lots of stuff happening on this page. So feel free to use this, or, you know, send the gig link out to a friend and share the resources too. Like, hey, look at this, I'm helping you out, right? So do check that out. Alrighty, what else do we have this week? Oh, EdgeNet. So what's going on with EdgeNet? I've actually been out, so I do not have a good update, but I'm sure Penna has a great update for us. Do you have an update for us today, Penna?
Yes, lots of things happening with EdgeNet this week. We're running the next challenge on the 8th, so in just 2 days we'll be launching the next challenge. And We've just released, well, actually, it's not even released yet. We've just received the first write-ups from the previous competition, the last competition that we ran a while back, a video news feeds app challenge, where we challenged the competitors to write mobile apps for viewing video feeds and subscribing to video news feeds. We just received some write-ups from that, and it's pretty good looking so far, and we'll probably release it tomorrow, at least sometime during this week. And additionally, there's going to be another sort of tutorial article that we'll hope to release by tomorrow, basically, to really help our competitors really get started with using these APIs.
Awesome. That sounds great. So, and then those articles and the educational stuff will always be in our learning center here. There's articles, videos, FAQs. So if you're new to the EdgeNet program and want to check it out, please do so. As I said, if you jump into the learning challenge for EdgeNet, the skill builder, then you can earn additional bonus prizes if you have not already participated in it. So please check that out as well. And you can get to all of these things on the EdgeNet page, which I will share here just in case you didn't have it already. All righty, thank you, Penna. Any other questions on EdgeNet, guys, or anything we've talked about so far? I see the question about the challenge code stuff. Let's look at this. So MA2 create EdgePoint for Swagger. Yeah, that's, who knows what that is, right? Do you know what that is, Harshad?
Not actually. I think initially I thought it must be a task or something like that, but I think that's probably a mistake in naming that. But yeah, we'll check it out and kind of inform the co-pilots to take care of it.
Yeah, that's a really great point. Thank you for bringing that to our attention. One other thing I wanted to share, and this is not specific to that, but yes, we will bring that up to the team. But if I can find it really quickly, Penna actually wrote a really great article recently about Tapcoder, like Tapcoder help, like what is a challenge? What is this? Let me see if I can find it real quick. It should be like right here, but we might not have done it yet. Daniela, did we put it up with it? We didn't put it on the homepage yet, did we? So let's see if I can use our amazing Thrive Live with you guys today to find this awesome article. There it is.
Yeah, it was there, Jesse. If you go back.
There it is.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, so we will be putting it on Thrive homepage in a very obvious way. So it's called all about Tapcoder stuff. So this is great for newbies or for anybody checking out our platform. It's basically like what is a Tapcoder challenge, right? What is an SRM? What is an RDM? What is gig work? So a really great article kind of put together to show what these things are. And it's a great way to really know what you're looking at when you see a Tapcoder challenge and you're new to the page, right? So I'm really excited about this. We'll be putting it on all the challenge details pages as well, so that folks who come to the challenge page for the first time can learn about it. And if you're new to Tapcoder and you don't even know what this is, this will be super helpful for you as well. Again, your feedback is always welcome. Sorry, I have a friend who wanted to come say hello. Your feedback is always welcome, so please do share with us. This is my cat. He wanted to come say hi. All right, so any questions on the what is Tapcoder article or anything else so far? I'm excited about this article. It's really awesome. So thank you, Penna, for that, and Harshit for helping out. All right, let's see. We talked about EdgeNet. Let's talk about our webinars. So we have 2 AMA shows coming up, which I'm super excited about. So Maxim is an awesome developer from Ukraine. He is a Tapcoder MVP and has done a lot of work for our community, for our platform. So if you're interested in joining that AMA, please do so. I have heard and I have listened into as many AMAs as I could, but I know that they're really valuable for our members. Luis puts a lot of time and money, effort into them. So please check them out. It's a great way to learn from others and how they're being successful at Tapcoder and also learn some tips. Pikachu is on the 23rd. I adore Satya Pikachu. She is a working mom in India and she's got 2 kiddos. And she's an awesome QA developer. So please check out that chat, especially if you are looking to learn more about like work-life balance, She's just such a kind human and such an awesome star on our team. So I would love for you to check these AMAs out. Super important that you learn from other members so you can be successful as well. So thanks, Luis, for finding some awesome members to interview. I'm excited for them. And this one is tomorrow. So the one with Maxine is tomorrow, the exact time tomorrow. So please don't miss that one. And if you have recommendations for any members you would like us to do an AMA with, Luis would love to hear it. So you can either put it in the chat here, you can ping him later, put it in the forum. But if there's a Top Coder member you want to learn about, or you want to ask them some questions or interview them, please let us know. Any questions on this? All right. A lot of stuff today, as I said. All right, so the calendar notes, we have an RDM coming up next week, which is super exciting. Oh, wait, this week. I don't even know what date it is. It's Friday. Yay, Friday, we have an RDM launching. So that's exciting. Harsha, you want to give a quick overview of the RDM happening?
Yes, so this is our third RDM. After September last year, December, in September we started with the RDMs, we experimented RDMs, we had manual testing in those RDMs. You guys kind of waited for results. In December, we brought automated testing, and then we kind of were improving how we run these, and we also launched a practice match while we kind of spread the word around RDMs. There is still a practice match running out there. You can still go to the RDM, it's open for pre-registration. You can find it out, you can read all about it, how the scoring is done. So the scoring is based on not only the accuracy of your submission, but also based on the time you spend on the problem. So you have to sometimes, this creates a great competition, because sometimes you can submit a solution that is not 100% efficient, but you are submitting it first. You are kind of going to get more score than somebody who's going to get it on 100% accuracy at the end of the competition. So you have to understand that balance, understand when you need to make a submission, how fast you have to be in the competition. This is very similar to SRMs. It's all automated testing. We have a leaderboard that will automatically get updated as and when you make a submission, and it's really fun. RDMs are really fun. We had a lot of fun last time. So do pre-register. You can pre-register right now. The problems will open at 6 a.m. on Friday. So you can check it out. There are huge prizes. We have 10 prizes, and there are additional prizes as well for, kind of having a good performance in your code, having good test case accuracy. There is a performance award. There is a code quality award as well. So these are additional awards with additional prizes. So sometimes you might realize that, hey, I'm probably not gonna win, but you can always go for good code, and make your code, make a good code, achieve the good code quality, and get the additional prize. The other thing is, just if you scroll down till the end, you would see there is a practice match linked out here at the end, and you can this is open. These are the problems we used in the last TCO finals, and they were pretty RDM styled. They were just RDMs run as TCO finals. So you can take a look at this practice match. There are 3 problems. They're all open. You can go and submit. There are sample submissions available for you. You can make changes to the sample submission, understand how to make a submission on an automated tester at Topcoder. And that is very important. We don't want you to have issues on that day. We'll be there for you on forums, but we suggest you to go and compete in this practice match, get ready, and then come on Friday, join the party. Yes.
Awesome. Thank you, Harshit. So hopefully you guys will check that out. Excited for that. Again, we have our Skill Builder Spree this September. We have our logo design bracket tournament this week. And then we have Marathon Match 129 coming up next week. So there's a lot going on in September. So do not go on vacation. Do not take a break. Do not sleep. Just kidding. Check out all the stuff we have to offer. And I believe that is it for me today to present. So I will stop there and see if we have any other questions. Any questions for anybody? More details from anybody? Quiet crowd.
There's a question, Jesse, from Vipul directly to me. I think I can answer it here. What does bracket imply in bracketish tournament?
So basically it's an actual bracket. So it'll be 1v1. So you'll have two designers duking it out against each other. And as they progress through the bracket, oh, thank you, Harsha. Yes. As they progress through that bracket, they get to the final round and they compete one-on-one against the last person standing, and then the last designer wins. So yeah, you basically have to go through each round of the bracket to continue on in the tournament. It's a very fun way to do it. It's very reminiscent of like March Madness, NCAA basketball tournament. So definitely check that out.
I just invited a few friends and family who are graphic designers.
Yeah.
And they're not like UI UX. So I'm like, you can join Top Coder for this. This is gonna be fun. So
And it gets pretty intense because it's a very short time. At the last bracket tournament we did during the regional, there was like 30-minute rounds. So these designers were competing against each other for 30 minutes. It was like, I am Tong versus like Yoki or I am Infinite. And these are our top designers and they're battling it out for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, sometimes they'll give us like 3 or 4 screens of design. And I'm like, oh my God, that was 30 minutes and you did all that work. It's pretty incredible to see what they come up with. I think the logo will definitely be a challenge because as I said, we don't do a lot of logo contests. So I'm curious to see how it goes. And I'm hoping some of our logo designers come back for it. It's funny, we have a certain amount of designers that come every year just for the TCO logo challenge. It's the same ones that come back and win every year pretty much. So hopefully they'll be back. Any other questions? I hope that helped you, Vipul. Anything I missed, guys? And there's a lot going on. Did I miss anything? Okay. All right. Well, it was lovely to see you all today. I'm sorry I missed the last few weeks, but I'm looking forward to be busy next few months with TCO coming up and all these things happening. So please feel free to always reach out if you need anything, have any questions. Our emails are pretty easy. I'm Jessie@topcoder.com. You can find us in the forums or wherever. So best of luck to you guys this month. I hope you win some money in the Skill Builder Spree. And we'll talk to you next week. Thanks, everybody.
thanks
Have a good
everyone.
one.